Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe 2 video update today. So there's this 15 minutes time frame pattern that I'm about to talk about, and it does seem like there's like 30% or 31% pump coming in for Pepe at the moment, and I actually do have some little bit of probably some buying here going on. So what I'm going to say is the following, that this is a move down like this, okay, and you do have Pepe that is creating this descending broadening wedge right now on the 15 minutes time frame. So it's going to be something like that, okay. This is actually a bullish pattern, and if you look at it that way, you've already probably just moved sideways like this. You broke out, you came down for the retest, and it seems like it's time to actually go up here to this technical target. That's where you probably are meant to be pushing up like this. So if I do show you right now on the 4-hour time frame as well, you have a morning star that has been created as well, and it seems like it's time for a little bit of reversal and trying to push back up. So the 1-hour time frame, if you look at it, you do have this one resistance there, resistance here, a break to the upside, bullish closing, came down for the retest, you've made the retest, and it does look like you do have this tweezer bottom right there. See, these two candles are actually good confirmation that, you know, the retest is pretty much done. Now it's a meme coin, and let's just hope that, you know, the patterns do actually get respected right over here. So you do have this little bit of a pattern going on. If I do dive into the 5 minutes time frame as well, you potentially can be looking forward to say that you do have this resistance, a push to the upside, a break up, and you're coming down here. Let's hope you do hold this retest, and then you start to push up from there. So for me personally, it does look like you know, you're gonna get that relief rally, because a lot of people are so bearish right now. And also, not only that, but a lot of people might not be expecting that we're going to be moving upside one more time. A lot of people are scared, they're sold. Weak hands are pretty much out. So you can be looking at that high there. You're looking at 31% move up here, right? So it's always a good idea to go just a little bit. Don't you know, fall in too much. I don't like falling knives or something like that, but I do see a pattern, and I do trade patterns. So for me personally, this is a simple descending broadening wedge right there, and this is a move to the upside that is about to come. That's the main technical target out of a descending broadening wedge. Pretty much simple and pretty much straightforward. Now let's look at what the weekly time frame is looking like, because we've actually dropped down quite huge, okay. Now the weekly does look like you have 2 days, 17 hours to close, and today's Friday. And now let's say you're coming up to 7,000 like this. That is not still going to be enough for Pepe, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, even though you might actually end up pumping up 30% from this area, from this zone, even probably 55%, but 30% is out of a pattern. And if you come up here like this, and you close right at 7,445, you're gonna make this one green candle, and you're gonna make next to it pretty much something like a hammer, something like this. This is how it's gonna end up like, and the wick is gonna be a little bit long, and then you have that green candle like this. Now if you combine those two candles, these are known as Bearish Harami, and you can still expect the next week to go down once again. So let's hope you end up pushing up like a green like this, and that would be awesome. The reason why I'm telling you that 55% pump is also possible is the following. I do remember telling you yesterday that there are chances where you can actually see Pepe coming up here to this descending triangle as well, because this is a place that you haven't really back tested. So 30% is out of this descending broadening wedge. If you move up for a 55%, it's because you never retested this one. These are the only two reasons that I can give you. And that's it for this update on Pepe 2. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.